Through our unique perspective as young adults,
our aim is to create a series of interactive and accessible programs
to ignite young people's creativity and imagination.
We want to build a safe and open platform.
I'm part of the youth collective because I'm really passionate about the way that art is able to talk about and negotiate ideas.
I believe that art should be accessible.
Educating young people about art.
Because we live in a visual culture where we're surrounded by images.
Making art something that's not scary and something that everyone can interact with and have fun with.
A gallery like this is interested in allowing us to participate in spaces like these,
where we can foster a dialogue between young people
from a range of social and cultural experiences
regarding issues that affect their personal experiences,
while expanding the culture of the arts
within the youth community across New South Wales.